Hey everyone, I'm Adam Bilmis, Director of Business Development and co-founder of Inspired Flight. We're here at Commercial UAV. Love to show you kind of some of the new products and things showing off in our booth this trip. So most exciting for us, this kind of commercial UAV is the brand new ground control station we're releasing, the GS1. Currently shown on the IF800 with our GREMZ VO or thermal optical camera. Really excited about this. I think this represents the biggest product release for Inspired of the year. The team that of Inspired Flight that brought this to market did an exceptional job over the last year of just really spending time with our customers, with our users, listening to their feedback and kind of understanding what some of their needs were in terms of user experience and the tools they needed at their fingertips to gain better control and experience using kind of our integrated payloads. So some of the things just real quick I love about this system, number one is the screen brightness. 7-inch screen, 2000 nit brightness. Really the requirement was high noon sun, Texas or Arizona or Florida, where so many of our customers are located. You need to be able to see the screen. I think that's number one. Some of the interfaces on here, I'm exceptionally excited about. We've been hearing for years from our customers. Toss HDMI on there, have Ethernet capability, have LTE capability where you can just pop a SIM card right into the controller. And that's available with this. So the LTE connectivity out of the box, IP55 ruggedization, incredible screen brightness, user customizable buttons to really kind of map your specific workflow, whether it's an inspection payload or a mapping payload, to what is important for you. So we'll set that down and kind of move on to some of our the other things that we're really excited about. The other main product release, so it gets 2 for 1 here at Commercial UAV. The really exciting other main product release for us this year is the RTK PPK system. So this system was co-designed with Centera, now a John Deere company. Really again, over the last 9 to 12 months with Inspired Flight, fully integrated and compatible with both the Centera 65R, which is our recommended photogrammetry camera, 65 megapixel global shutter sensor, able to take 3 photos per second, so you can just map with exceptional speed and efficiency. And then as well as the 6X multispectral camera, really high-end science-grade multispectral imager for precision ag applications. And this really will enable that centimeter level RTK workflows or PPK workflows. And specifically on the RTK, what's really exciting, both on the GS1 controller as well as our legacy Hearlink, the ability to connect to an in-trip network and to kind of save those in-trip networks and settings so that you can always click right back into them, or the ability to use a third-party base station. If you're a Trimble shop, a Topcon shop, and want to run workflows through Trimble Business Center. Very simply with this radio, kind of shown here, you can plug that into your third-party base station, and that'll integrate directly with the aircraft and the RTK system. So that's it on the IF800. We'll show you a couple last things on the IF1200 system, which has really been our flagship heavy lift system for the past couple of years, and kind of has developed a reputation in the industry for just ultra reliability, ruggedness, and its payload capacity and flight time. So shown here is the Yellowscan Navigator through kind of a close partnership with Yellowscan, a fantastic LiDAR OEM manufacturer. The Navigator is their bathymetric LiDAR. Bathymetric LiDAR and just capabilities are exploding across our customer base for environmental protection customers, ecological workflows, so much that you can do, construction, development, with the ability to map LiDAR underwater basically. So fantastic partnership with Yellowscan, and really excited to be able to kind of integrate the Yellowscan Navigator as well as all of their kind of LiDAR payloads across the suite. And that goes the same with our other LiDAR OEMs, like GeoQ. For example, here at the show, we're putting out a very competitively priced IF800 with the GeoQ TrueView 1 Lite. If you're really just trying to get into LiDAR and using drones for the first time, $37,000 price point for a full American-made drone plus LiDAR combo, I think is a pretty compelling offer. And then last thing I'll show here, showing our partners over at Linebird. They do pretty amazing and unique creative things with our tools, and I just love working with Linebird because their mission is really getting people out of harm's way, reducing the hazardous man hours that linemen across the country are using. So what's shown here that hangs off the IF1200 system is a colloquially known as a hot stick, but it's an ohm resistance tool that measures the splices between conductors on a transmission system and can find risks and identify faults, and doesn't require a lineman to go up and touch an energized line. And then lastly, there's a Hornet sprayer. But bottom line, A lot of really cool capabilities being shown at the Inspired Flight booth this year. A lot of new capabilities like the Survey RTK system and the GS1 that will start shipping next week, September 15th. So really excited to get these into people's hands. And last thing I'll say is just like, couldn't have done any of this without the team at Inspired Flight. The work that our team back in San Luis Obispo has done to bring this level of rigor and product maturity to market, I think really marks a new milestone for Inspired Flight. And we can't wait to show you what we got and put it into your hands.